go and sit blank the garden. In the garden. Let us go and sit in the garden. Anyone is thinking, let us go and sit on the garden? Okay. Everyone should take breakfast. Anyone is thinking after the morning? After the morning it will become lunch. No? They will meet us on Sunday. The party will start at 8 p.m. The snow in the glacier melt during summer. Because when season we are talking, like during winter, during summer, we used to like that. Okay. Again 6th standard children are coming. All the 6th standard children, you don't join, okay? This is your future. This is 7th standard. Don't do time traveling. Okay. Next question we can discuss. Sit properly in the class. Don't give weight on the wall. Okay. The snow in the glaciers melt during summer. Now one by one, you have to say the answer. Anand, you say, we will wait for you, blank, the front gate. Say this answer. Don't raise the hand, okay? When I will ask who want to raise the hand, that time raise. Anand, you say this answer. We will wait for you. Blank the front gate. Okay, you say.
We will wait for you in front of the front gate.
In front of the front gate. This is little bit complicated, no? In front of. Can I say near the front gate?
Yes.
Beside the front gate?
Yes.
At the front gate? We will wait for you at the front gate.
Yes.
Right at the front gate. Have you done this? You said to someone, we will wait you here, and you went away from there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
For example, you said that maybe after exam you will wait for 2-3 minutes for your friend, but you thought that he is not coming, maybe you went from there. And next day your friend is asking, you were not there present? You are saying, yes, you came late, so I went from there. Have you done this? If yes, you can raise the hand. Many children are saying yes. Put your hand down. Now imagine that child whom you have said that you wait, I will wait for you. And he is waiting for you. Already you have gone from there. And he is waiting for you half an hour, maybe. Okay. And next day he is ignoring you, not talking with you. Okay. Divya's house is blank the street. Near the street. Across the street. Beside the street. All are correct answer. I am not saying any one is wrong answer. But we need more correct answer. Next to the street is also. Yes, right beside the street. Okay. Rashmi cried blank the film. After the film. During the film. So, after the film, sit down, how it is looking. She watched the movie. She is controlled. Movie is off. She started crying. Right? Now my question is, have you seen sometime children, the emotional scene is going on the television, maybe it can be any reality show where one person is explaining that how much struggle he has done in his life and today he is dancing and breaking his bones, right? He's very happy that he made his parents proud. And that much emotional line he is saying that maybe your father has become emotional, your mother has become emotional, maybe your brother also, and you are watching everyone's face and you are smiling that time. And after seeing your smile, maybe your father or brother started scolding you that you are making fun of that great person, how much struggle he has done. Have you ever experienced this? You can raise your hand straight. Okay, so many children are raising the hand. Put your hands down. Nearly all. Okay. So if you are going anywhere, children, no, don't ever say your struggle time, right? And never cry in front of anyone in your life. Are you understanding this? Okay. See, what you deserve that you will get, no doubt. But saying these things that I was very in problem, started crying, this is wrong. Okay. And you started sharing your struggle that when I was in my village, I had to cross the river to go to Begusarai, right? And how much kilometer? 15 kilometer I was traveling, and some crocodiles were also there. Daily I was risking my life, and I was going. The same thing you can say in other words also. That I was very happy, I was crossing, and daily I was saying bye to the croco, and the crocos were also saying me bye. But we were doing this from the distance. So be sad in your life, but don't be sad in front of others, okay? Never. Why your pencil is committing suicide? Okay. Next. The snow in the glacier melt during summer. We will wait for you at the front gate. Divya's house is beside the street. Rashmi cried during the film. The grape slipped and rolled down the table. Very good. Okay. So the difficult question children are saying correct answer. Easy question they are confusing. The flock of birds flew above the tree. So this both question was tough little bit. I would like to have a cottage near the lake. Okay, beside the lake, who thinks? Near the lake. Lake should be there, then the cottage should be there. Okay. Placement of, I think no 6th standard are in the class. Don't say the full sentence. Simply say, I want to go out. Right? I will say go out. In previous school I was, right? So when I joined there, children are everywhere good only, but you have to teach them discipline and something, okay? So what I saw, I was busy in doing some correction. One girl child of 6 or 7, she came without asking and she went to the seat. Understood this? And I saw her that you only came now and said. She started smiling. Yes sir, I was only, now I will not repeat this. That was the sense. Every time the children were asking to go out to drink water, Ahana, you mute your side. To go water, right? I taught them that you should not go out during the class. You should be ready for the class. Now you know what they are doing. Strictly I said them not to ask me to go out to fill the water or for any reason. So one boy, what he was doing, he was having the water bottle and he was showing water bottle to me, right? And he was saying like this. I said, what is this? Like this he will ask. Then one girl, she was doing this. So I taught them not to say anything in the class, so they started asking by sign language. One boy was doing like this, sir. Sir, again I said them not to talk in the sign language, stand up and say the words, okay? So it took many months to train them how to be in the class, how to be disciplined, right? I think that much time it will not take with you all are very disciplined children, okay? Only one thing I found here, you all talk among yourself, and that also anytime. That you, if you will break, the class will become disciplined class. Next, placement of preposition, okay? Placement of preposition means preposition must always be followed by a noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun is called the object of the preposition. For example, behind its master, under the rocks, with a blue ribbon. So after preposition, always noun or pronoun should come. Sometimes preposition come at the end of the sentence also. Example, TV on, sell it for, talking to. Sometimes preposition come at the end of a sentence when its object is used as the subject of the sentence. Example, Santorini is the city I would like to live in. A preposition phrase can be placed at the beginning or end of the sentence. For example, in the evening, we usually take a walk by the beach. We usually take a walk by the beach in the evening. Means what is the thing? The thing is, the answer is preposition can be used anywhere in the sentence. In the beginning, in the middle, in the end, anywhere it can be used in the sentence. Understood? Have you understood this? Yes. Now preposition or adverb. Never confuse with preposition with adverb. But sometimes same word is used as preposition and same word is used as adverb. Example, you see, the child colors outside the lines. So this is preposition. Let's go outside. This is adverb. How this is adverb? Because it is adding extra meaning in the verb. Let's go. Where we should go? Outside. The rain came down heavily. This is adverb. The rain down the stairs. This is preposition. So question number C you can do now, where you have to find out the highlighted verb is preposition or adverb. One tips I will give you to do this question. Only you remember the definition of preposition and adverb, and you can do this question. Preposition means, preposition is the word which is used in the sentence, okay, to show the relation of noun, pronoun or other part of the sentence. Means to show the relation it is used. Adverb, it is qualifying other noun, adjective, noun, no, adjective, verb and other adverb. Okay, qualifying means saying the quality or adding extra meaning to adjective, verb and adverb. Like this you know the definition and start doing. All the very best. Online children also you do. Online children, any doubt is there? So you all do children, after that we will match, okay? And if you have done, you can go to the next question also. This class is very good class in learning, okay? You all are learning at very good speed, or I can say already you were knowing all these things, maybe because of the lockdown or because of the habit was left, so you become little bit weak in studies. Otherwise I can guess you all are very intelligent and you have to prove this. See, now you are in 7th standard, very soon you will go in 8th standard. 8th, 9th, 10th. 3 years if you will study nicely, this 3 year study will make your intelligence, which will decide your career and your thinking process whole life. Understood? Have you seen someone who is not very much qualified, but then also he is very intelligent? Have you seen? Have you heard? Or maybe good business he is able to do. He never went to a very good college, but then also many good people are working under him. So in this age only the people used to get that intelligence. Okay? Are you understanding, children? So you all are going to be intelligent, or already you are intelligent. You have to believe this. Check 125. Question number D4. The following paragraph is unedited. Each line has an error. Spot the error and write the correct answer in space given. So error is there. Last Saturday, mom had an exciting surprise at my sister and me. We were going to the amusement park. We packed our lunches and got on the car. Mom drove in the highway at medium speed and upon the town. And upon the town is wrong, no? So correct will be, mom drove in the highway at medium speed and across the, or cross the, upon will not come, what will come? Cross will come.
We need to find the error and we need to correct the error.
Yes. So error is upon
Yes.
and the correction is
In the town.
medium speed, and in the town, no, and cross the town. CROSS, cross the town. Okay. In our, at our destination. At our destination, right? So I think Suhani used to look little bit more confident, right? Means you study at your home nicely. No, but you have good confidence, okay? It is very good thing. Prince, 1 hour you make at home to remember the word meanings, okay? And you can show me daily what word meanings you have remembered. At least you can do this. 3-year time you have now, okay? Or this can also be happening like you are going home and you are forgetting these things. You are busy at home, you started playing or passing the time, and then next day is coming, right? Every day you want to do something, but the day is passing, not in your control. So take out half an hour. Daily 10 meanings you remember. In the copy you show me the meanings. What meanings you have remembered, okay? Understood? This is not tough. Okay? This is not a tough thing, children. And especially Prince, easy. Understood? You do like this 1 month only, then you will become good in English. Maybe in future you will teach English to other children. Okay? You will teach them how to write a story, how to write letter. You like teaching? He's laughing. Prince, you can give your idea what you want to become in future. Army officer? No. What? Don't smile. Say, share your aim. I'm your teacher. No, you can share with me. Say, please stand up. What you want to be in future? You are smiling means it is decided. Say. Don't think what others will think. Simply you say. Army officer. Okay. Means my guess was correct, no? Okay, sit down. Very good. All the best. So for that also you have to study. Okay. You have to good in maths and English nowadays. And physically you are fit only. More fit you have to become. Okay. Question number 6. Okay. What the doubt is there? Let me see. We took turns in the rides and stayed together amidst. Amidst means in between. Okay. Amidst means in between. Right. Are you doing, Nandini? Yes, you keep your back that side, okay? And you sit this side. Otherwise she is hiding in the corner. B? D8. You are asking question in code word. Slept in inside the car on our way home. Slept in inside the car. Yes, slept inside the car on our way to home. Okay. So erase in, add to. 6 number. We took turns in the rides and stayed together in the crowd. Amidst will not come in the crowd. Thank you all children for having the class. Have a good day. May God bless you all.
Thank you, sir.